back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And once you do that, go ahead and put in the comments hashtag Mia Mafia so I know that you're a part of the gang. Alright, you guys, so in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a mini braid out. I'm super excited to be doing this. It's been a while. I haven't did it since like I stayed at my mama's house, so I'm like, I need to revisit it and see what it's like. You know, I'm always here for the twist out, so I'm like, it's time for me to do a good braid out. So the products that I will be using today are from TreLuxe, and shout out to them for sponsoring yet another one of my videos. I really enjoy working with you guys, so thank you so much for partnering with me again for this video. And I don't know if y'all saw my last video I did with them, but I was like super shook about one product in particular. If y'all have not seen that video, make sure y'all go click up in the card right now. Go watch that before y'all even watch this video, because my wash and go I had, y'all, it was fire. In today's video, I'm gonna be using some of the same products, but I'm gonna be using it as a braid out to see if I get just as popping results as I did in that wash and go video. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, you guys, so here are the three products that I'm going to be focusing on today. So I did go ahead and put this leave-in conditioner in my hair. This is the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. It includes botanical ingredients to moisturize and strengthen the strands. It can be used on all hair textures, and it is glycerin free. So I really like this leave-in conditioner. It really moisturized my hair. I already did put it in while I was in the shower. As you know, I like to put my leave-ins in while I am in the shower to get the best results out of them. And I really like this one. Like the smell, it smells so good. It has like a cinnamon taste to it. Not taste. I'm hungry clearly, but no, it has a cinnamon like smell to it. I don't really know how to describe it, but it does smell really good. It does have a thick texture. I'm gonna show you guys the texture of it right now just so y'all can see what it looks like. So here's the texture right here. This is like a more of a thicker leave-in. It's not so super thick, but it's not like a thin watery consistency. It is on like the thick smooth side. So this is what that looks like, and I do already have that in my hair. Okay, so I did want to tell you guys that TreLuxe is having a buy one get one 50% off sale going on right now on their website and at Walgreens. So make sure you stop by your local Walgreens and pick up some of these products so your hair can be looking bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the information down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. But yes, let's just go ahead and get on into this tutorial, into this braid out. I'm so excited. Like, I just have a good feeling. Like, y'all know when y'all just have a really good feeling like, okay, yeah, my hair's gonna come out real cute, and that is exactly how I'm feeling right now. So this is how my hair is looking with just the leave-in, and it is very damp right now. It's not soaking wet. It has been a minute since I did wash my hair, but my hair is already feeling super good and moisturized, and yeah, it looks pretty good with just the leave-in in. Okay, so the next product I am going to be going in with is the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. So this right here is super moisturizing. I have used this before just by itself, and it did do pretty good on just a regular wash and go. So this is like a good thick cream. It's like, I don't know why I was about to put it on the back of my hand. Now I'm about to put it in my hair. But this is like a good consistency, like as far as the thickness. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. So it's really gonna give you a lot of good moisture. So I'm gonna take about this much and put this on the whole section, just so I can go ahead and moisturize my hair. I'm not gonna be using too much water in this tutorial, because I feel like, you know, doing like braid outs and twist outs, my hair doesn't need to be soaking wet to do this. But yes, this soaked right on in. I'm gonna take a little bit more and put this on. And this smells really good. It kind of has like a, I don't know, like y'all, I be trying to describe smells all the time and it never works out, but it has like a sweet smell. Yeah, like a sweet, maybe floral smell. I don't know. I be trying, y'all. But that's all I'm gonna put in this because I am going to go in with another product. But y'all know me, I don't know, I just always have to have 3 products in my hair. It's like I just can't never have 2. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to all 4 sections. Okay, so now that I have all that applied, I'm gonna go ahead and split this in half so I can work in smaller sections. Well, that kind of wasn't half, but I'm gonna split it again in a minute. Okay, so I am going to spray a little bit of water just so I can thoroughly detangle my hair without, you know, having any snags and pulls, because we don't need that. We don't need that. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water on it. And then I'm gonna take my dimming brush and brush this out. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with their curl enhancer styling gel for long lasting and defined curls. And y'all, this right here is my favorite product. I already know it's about to slay my hair, so I just got high hopes for this. But when I used this in my last video, like the definition, the hold, everything it just went crazy. So if y'all don't get nothing else from this video, get this. Get this. You will be in love, okay? And let me just go ahead and tell you this right off the bat. A little bit goes a long way, okay? Because when I first used this, I was slapping thinking I needed a bunch, and I really didn't. I literally only need a little bit. So I learned my lesson. I'm just gonna use a little bit, and I know that, you know, it should still come out good. But I usually don't ever use gels when I do like braid outs and twist outs, but I'm like, I really like this, so I really want to see what kind of results I'm gonna get from it. So let's just get into it. So this is like a really, really jelly consistency. It's not like a super thick gel. It's like really jelly, as you can see. So these are like my favorite kind of gels that I like using because I don't know, I don't feel like they are super drying to my hair. So I'm gonna go in with, it's hard to not take a lot, but I'm gonna just go in with a little bit. I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna put it on my palm of my hand, rub it in. I mean, not rub it in, rub it together, and then put all of this on this whole section. Yeah, see, this is really all I needed. I did not need, you don't need a bunch. You only need a little bit, because when I tell you, this will give you the hold that you want, okay? So you only need a little bit. Okay, so once I got that in, now I'm just going to start sectioning my hair off to go ahead and start braiding. And this is going to take a while because braiding your hair takes a little longer than twisting it. So, and then my hair is very fine, so it takes a long time to braid my hair, but we're just finna get into it. This part is really, really, you know, self-explanatory. But I'm gonna try not to go slow and try to go fast. But I already know this is about to take a minute, but the results are gonna be fine, so it's gonna pay off. But as y'all can see, y'all see how my hair is like already clumped together. Not much frizz going on, so that's a good sign. So I think once I get like towards the end, I think I'm just going to make the ends in like a big twirl, because once it gets like super skinny like this, it's, oh shoot. Now my camera fell. You got tired, didn't you? You was like, I'm wore out. Sorry, y'all. My camera just fell down. But yeah, once I get to the end, I'm just going to twirl it just so I'm not really trying to braid all the way down there because that's a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna just do that, and it should like twirl up. But yeah, so that's the first braid. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to do this all over my head. Wish me luck. Alright, you guys, so I have finished all of the braids. It's quite a few. I don't even know how long this took me. I was watching YouTube videos, so I don't ever take the time to actually see how long stuff takes, but it took a while, a few hours. But yes, here it is. Cute. We got some length going in the back. And I really like how I, did the ends. I feel like they look really, really cute. If your hair doesn't do this on its own, you can always, put some like the little rods at the end if you still wanted to get that look. But yeah, mine just kind of stays on its own. So I just, make sure I put a little extra product if I need it, and then just twirl it around my fingers. But yes, I will be back to show y'all the results and the takedown, but this is how we're looking. I don't know if I can make this cute or not. I'm gonna try, but I'm not going nowhere anyway. But we can put a little bit to the side, pretend like we got some box braids or something. They just real skinny. Cause y'all, my hair is very fine. Like y'all know how big my hair can get, but look at how fine it is. It's very, very fine. But that's besides the point. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's been about 2 days. So let me go ahead and show y'all what my hair is looking like. The braids should be completely dry, but this is what they're looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my scalp, and the oil that I'm using, it's secret, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on my scalp just so the scalp can be ready. And then I'm also gonna put a different oil on 2 of my hands to get have oil throughout my hair once I'm taking the braids down. But yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Whew, y'all, so I'm finally done taking all of the braids down, and here is how we're looking. Okay, I think I'm definitely going to pick it out just a tad. Y'all know me, but I think I like it on the side. This is giving cute. This is giving cute. But as far as how my hair feels super soft. There's no crunch. Like, this is some soft hair. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna pick it out a little bit. I don't know where my other pick is at, so I only got this little pink one for now. But let me try to fix how these, lines is right here. I don't like that, so yeah, we're gonna do that just right there. I really don't need to pick it out that much though. Alright, you guys, so I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this hairstyle, if you guys are going to be trying it. Also, don't forget to check out TreLuxe. I will leave all the information down in the description box. So go ahead and head over to your local Walgreens and catch you that sale, okay? While it's going on right now, and it is going all the way up until February 27th. So make sure y'all go ahead and cop y'all some products. I don't really like all their products, but as I said, their gel is my favorite. So if y'all don't get nothing else, go ahead and cop y'all this gel right here. This really gives super good definition, as y'all can see. And for wash and goes, I feel like this is like, it can go for different styles. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.